Francia. I am an overseas Filipino worker here in Vietnam. I am from Philippines. I am currently here in Ho Chi Minh City. Today is the last day of September. It is September 30. This is supposedly the last day of strict lockdown. So everyone here in Saigon is waiting for an update. There are some rumors that the government will lessen the restrictions and they are going to be putting down the barriers from inter-district. So I am so excited for that. If things get better, they have their future plans in here. This is their economic recovery plan, but this is not final yet. Massive vaccination is ongoing, and for us to travel freely, we have this app. It's the Susukwe Din. I received 2 doses of vaccines. Here is the Green Pass. This is immaculate. I love you, Green Pass, but this is not valid anymore. This was just announced today. The PC COVID app is the new official app. My informations are not yet updated. It doesn't cooperate well. I will try to update this maybe later tonight. So you'll be needing that in case you want to travel. That's it guys for a quickie update about vaccinations and apps here in Vietnam. While waiting, I will be working. I have multiple projects these days. Thank you, G. Let's just go to the workstation.
Don't party. Good morning. It is October 1. Going to Le. Sugar, yeast, milk, yeast. Nagulat ka na naman.
Hey guys, it is October 4th and I skipped vlogging for 2 days because I haven't been feeling well. And as an update, in Ho Chi Minh City, it is slowly coming back to normal. And I also have finished preparing for my pandesal. I am baking. I already took meds today. I am having mild headaches from morning until afternoon. It is weird. And just an update that tomorrow Grab and public transports will be back again. That will also mean that we are going back to the office. I'll just take a short break from work and later guys.
Breadcrumbs na nalagay ko.
Okay, next time cheddar cheese dyan.
Sorry. 0.0 today.
Hey guys, it is September 6th today. I have been feeling really sick today. The weather is quite gloomy also. And I have been taking medications. These are the medicines that I have been taking. This is from a brand from the Philippines. This one is the classic Biogesic. And also this Advil. I've been taking this pain reliever. but I am not getting any better. I am having headaches. I'm having also diarrhea. I am also feeling fatigue. These lymph node babies are, growing. That is really something. So I decided to get an appointment tomorrow. I'll be getting a rapid test for COVID tomorrow just to be sure, just to be safe. I can really tell that it's gonna be worse. It's better to check this earlier. I am obviously unhealthy. I have been stressing on some few things. Sense of smell, still there. Sense of taste, still fighting. But I decided to get a rapid test tomorrow. Anyway, let's just go out of this room and I'll be working again, guys.
Okay. Negative. Good.
I'm surprised.
Hello again. It is October 10. It is 3 days after my rapid COVID test. I have recorded that day, but it's so toasted. It is overexposed. I have this overexposed footage that I cannot use. Anyway, I am feeling so much better now, guys. Thank God it is negative. And today is the last day of lockdown for me since I am finally going back to office, guys. Tomorrow, I accomplished some stuff this morning. I updated our spreadsheet because Leia is a hoe for spreadsheets. We have this monthly budget. It is updated. I also reported and complained to our embassy. I want to vote this coming election, this May 2022. The embassy is quite unresponsive with my complaints. I messaged them that it has been locked down here since July. The only way that you can register is to personally go in Hanoi, which is impossible. I messaged them if they can accommodate the registration here in Ho Chi Minh City since they also have an embassy here. Still waiting for that. But let me remind you that it is a must to vote. It is our right and it is our responsibility. That's for my Filipino folks watching. And I am currently editing the vlog that you're watching. For the pending tasks, I will be unboxing a package for my pet cat. It is here. I ordered this last July and it just came. It hurts. It's an accessory for my pet cat. I am also gonna be editing pictures for my sister's store, Vintage Lane PH. You know, there's a lot of advertising in this vlog. That's a thrifting online store, guys. Must, if you wanna check that out. She's gonna be releasing her collection this month. Anyway, let us unbox this baby for my pet cat, Mochi. Oh, hello. Switching to this angle because my cat is here and he has a short temper, guys. I am so excited. Are you excited? It's yours. Wanna see it much? Oh, there is a letter. It's hard to unbox in this angle. It said, "Dear Anna, thank you very much for supporting my small business. It is highly appreciated. I hope that both of you are going to love this new name tag. I already know Mochi looks adorable and sincerely adore you. Mochi." Here, guys, it's his name. What is this, Susanna? These are random stickers. Thank you for the stickers. And let's get it, guys. Let's get the name tag. Look at that tag. I'll put this in Mochi's color. Here's also my phone number. Text me, guys, if you've seen Mochi. I'll put the link below, guys, if you're in Vietnam and if you want a name tag on your bed.
Here we go. No. There we go. Yeah.
I am Mochi.
Thank you. Thank you, Susanna. Hugs.
Hey guys, I am done with all the errands. It is getting darker. It's gonna rain soon. It is slowly sinking to me that life will go back to normal. Of course, there will be some restrictions. Lockdown has been a yin-yang. There are ups and downs. This lockdown affects us negatively, but on the brighter side, there are some good sides in it. Personally, I managed to learn some things, maximize my time on vlogging and baking, exercising. That things I couldn't do before lockdown. It is a bittersweet journey. Amidst of short supply of food and constraining policies, we got vaccinated. We remained healthy. With that, I am always thankful with Vietnam. Thank you. I am gonna be ending this vlog. This is so long. Thank you guys for joining me in this lockdown series. I couldn't tell if this will be the last lockdown. There is a possibility of surge in COVID cases, but let's just all enjoy this moment. And if you like to see more of these videos, if you wanna join me in my Vietnam journey, please click that subscribe button if you wanna be notified on my next upload. It will be helpful for this channel. And again, guys, stay safe wherever you are. I will see you on the outside world and on the next video. Bye!